Hey guys, Lindsay with Empower Movement Physical Therapy here on my private jet. So one of the things that we see in the clinic really frequently is people who have issues when they're flying. Obviously, like the seats are really tiny when you don't have your own private jet. You're stuck next to somebody who's a little bit bigger, so you're kind of squeezed in. And we also see people who are traveling despite the fact that they might have some back issues or some sciatica symptoms. So I want to show you guys some things that you can do to make yourself as comfortable as possible when you're flying. So let's talk about low back and sciatica first. So one of the things that happens when you have sciatica is your butt muscles get really, really tight to protect that area. And so your legs oftentimes are going to want to roll outward, and that ends up actually just putting more pressure on your sciatic nerve. So to avoid that, use your jacket. So my sleeves are a little bit short here, but you can actually put them around your jacket around your waist, and then take your sleeves and then crisscross them underneath your legs. And then if your sleeves are even long enough, you can actually tie them back up over the top, but even crisscrossing them like that holds your legs closer together so that then you're not rolling back out onto your sciatic nerve. Another thing that you can do is improve your low back positioning. So again, use your jacket, or if you're flying in first class, ask for the pillow and make sure that you use it, because that's like the perfect size. So take your jacket and fold it up, roll it up, nothing fancy, and then put that right behind your low back, just for that extra little bit of support. It causes your pelvis to tip forward a little bit and puts your back in a more neutral position that opens up the vertebrae there so that there's more room actually for your nerves. So try those two things when you're traveling to see if they unload your back. Oh, another thing you can do as well for keeping your legs inward, if the whole like tying thing doesn't work, take your jacket again, roll it up, and you can stuff it just a little bit under one leg. So usually with sciatica, it's one leg and not the other. So just stuff it just slightly under one leg so it creates a wedge, and then your leg has to roll to the inside, and that also will unweight that side. Or you can even put it underneath your knee, and that puts your hips at a little bit of a different angle, also to unweight that area. So try those things when you're flying. Even if you don't have any back or sciatica issues, if you're going to be on a long flight or an intercontinental flight, do these little things that'll help you make changes in your position, because our bodies are machines of movement. So any movement variability that we do is going to help us out no matter what. Thanks, guys.